show. We're pretty excited about it. So this is the plan, actually. I was going to have you welcome Dustin to the stage with a round of applause. You're all very eager to applaud. Don't stop. That's great. That is a great problem for an audience to have. In fact, if you hear one or two people clap, just clap. Just do it. We don't always know. We're doing stuff you've probably never seen before. We get it. It's a little bit confusing, maybe overwhelming. Understood. You hear a couple claps, just join in. So, with all that said, we are going to welcome Dustin to the stage with a round of applause.
Pretends to do somersaults.